My trunk is full of junk journal supplies from Dollar Tree so that I can finish out a couple projects and make one while I'm here in Ojai. You want to see what's underneath all of this? Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with a junk journal supplies in my trunk from Dollar Tree, and I'm not at home, so I can't videotape this my regular way, so join me in my trunk. I'm putting together a little kit to take with me to the hospital. My dad is in the hospital, so I did pick up some glue sticks. I picked up one of those packages. It's got like 4 of these pads, some Aleene's tacky glue. Of course, you know I have most of this already, but I picked up this washi tape. I have an idea of something that I want to make, so some other washi tape, and I did pick up this little box to put little things in. See over here, I picked these up to use in the unicorn journals I have coming up. Picked up a lemonade towel for my kitchen because it's so cute. These sticker tags, you get 10 sheets of them. I think I can use them in the unicorn and the minion journals. So there's some unicorn stickers. I was so excited I was able to get 2 of these. It's the golden book, Everything I Need to Know About Love. I learned from a golden book. Yeah, so I thought that was fun. I picked up 5 of these because the book on the inside is white and they are the right size. So very, very simple. I got Christmas moments to share. I'm going to use that in one of my journals. I'm going to see about using this for the unicorn journal. So we'll see. Possible cover. This is for the Fox journal stuff that I picked up. I kind of picked up, this one's also for the Fox journals. Look at these amazing stickers. So they are like stained glass. I think they're going to be really fun to work with. And so I picked up several of those. A couple more of the... Oh, and by the way, I started reading this book last night, and it's very good. Yeah. So I picked up 2 of these, and I thought I could use the photo pages, and then I could use this as a cover. So watch for that. I also got it in aqua. Oh my gosh, check out these stickers. So they have these perfume bottle stickers and these Christmas ornament stickers. Making quite a mess here. Another one of the books. More foxes, more perfume bottles. Sorry if I make you dizzy. So some fox cards. These beautiful, it was the only one and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And next I need to work on my Bible journals. So there is, look at these, aren't those great colors? So I got those for the yeah, and then I got a set of these. You know, I probably already had those at home. Some more fox stickers. I got some makeup to try with the stencils that you'll see in a minute. There's the rest of those little pads. Sorry about the glare and everything. Some art glitter glue, liquid adhesive. We'll try that. This is what started the whole thing. These cute little notepads, and There's 4 of them, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use those as my covers, or on the covers. I did pick up these file folders. Let's see. There's some computer paper, my first letters, and I think I'm going to use this in the ABC journal that we do in the party. This is for in the Minion journals. There's some more of the Minion stickers, some black stickers for the Minion journal, some yellow dots. Daisies are my favorite, so I had to have those. I got these composition books to use with the Fox journals. I got those to use. My dad's going to be in the hospital at least till Monday, so I needed something to do. Some envelopes, some of the index dividers. Oh my gosh. How do people do this trunk thing? Probably have boxes and stuff, right? So I did pick up some notepads for the journal, the Fox journal, and these, and this paper, and these cards. And look at raccoon and a fox and an owl. Some more notepads. And I did pick up a couple of cards. This one had the cute little fox on it. And this one had the cute little fox. No, this one was just cute. I like the... Okay, so pair of scissors, and this has those colors of paper. We've got some craft wrapping paper. We have this wrapping paper with the flowers and the great colors. I got these bags. And I got this large gift bag. So that is my junk journal supplies in the trunk from Dollar Tree, so that I can have a project to do while I'm here in Ojai. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I just went through my dad's office and picked out some papers to use along with these papers, and we'll see what we get. Thank you for being here. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye. What's your favorite? Bye-bye.